Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Made Easy. Today we are going to discuss the problem same tree. Given the roots of two binary trees P and Q, write a function to check if they are same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. So let's go here. So I have a couple of examples for this. Say these two trees, they are structurally same. So they have one node, there are two leaves, and their values are same. Then this is an example in which they are structurally different. One of them has only one leaf, the other has uh, two leaves. Then the example where values are different is 2, 1, 3, and then say 1, 2, and 3. So structure is same, value is different. So the way we are going to solve is, again, go depth first search, but we'll traverse both the trees together. So that means first we'll traverse these two, then we go here, then we can come back here. So in this order, if we traverse, in each traversal, we'll make sure that the values are same and the values are either null or not null at the same time. So here 2, 2 we'll be seeing it as same. Then when we traverse left of here, we'll see null, none here and not none here. That's the difference. And the same way, when we see the root value, it'll be different. So this is how we are gonna find out. So let's go to the code. So if P is none and Q is also none, then it is, return true. So they are equal. If P is none or Q is none. So this will cover case where, so if we come to here, that means both P and Q cannot be none, because otherwise we would have hit line 15. So here this means P is none and Q is not none, or P is not none and Q is none. One of the case. So in either ways, we have to return false. In the last case, Q well, return false. That means the values don't match. Then we traverse left. That is it. So we traverse both left and right side. That is accepted. So the solution is accepted. Thank you for watching. Catch you up in the next video. Bye.